Ayan, kaya nila sinabing I left my heart in San Francisco dahil yung mga malalaking puso na yan, it's all over downtown San Francisco Bay Area. You'll find them all over the Bay Area. Iba-iba ang ano niyan, iba-iba ang designs, mga local artists yan, artisans art, yung mga with different causes. That's the Westin St. Francis Hotel, Saks Fifth. Kahanay niya din yung Tiffany. Ayan, may dadaan na cable car right there. Powell Street and Union Square. There you go. May the force be with you.